everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to log in into your Rakuten account. In our previous videos, we have showed how to download or install Rakuten app, and we have also made a video about how to create a Rakuten account. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to log in into Rakuten account. So without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Rakuten app. Here, as you can see, after opening your Rakuten app, here you'll be able to see two options on the very top: join now and sign in. If you haven't created an account, then you have to go through the process that is shown on the join now option. Now, since we're going to sign in into our account, tap on the sign in option. Here you'll have to type your email address, your password and log in. But if you have created your account using Google or Facebook or Apple, then you can use them as well. I will be typing my email address. After that, type your password that you have used while creating your Rakuten account. After you're done typing your email address and your password, tap on login. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully logged in into your Rakuten account. Now that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log in into your Rakuten account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.